No, Queen B, listen here. I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you what you do today, whether you like Kris, because that's your thing. You need to leave the man alone. Now, everybody have them business and everybody have principle. I don't know what's the obsession. Social media we understand say everybody are going to see something but not everything if you talk because you live a private life. That no mean to say you have to dig down in a people life. Because Queen B, you have a business. Not because your business is the out here, it means that you have to dig down in a people business. No. Kris did a live and said that everybody knows that nobody enough to come in place because the cake them not reach up because I guess it's deceiving the lady must carry up 30 cakes to what me get to understand. Now Queen B, let me ask you something. Why on earth you live pan Kris so? And you know if Kris decide to come out here, all you go do, why you don't leave the man alone? Why your business in a Kris and Dana business? That's not your business. That is not your business. The man are selling cake, the man having business, the man are still a take up some cake to sell. Why on earth you go come out and I go come write that long letter about people for like and people for this and the plank of them for watch him? After Kris now live with the plank of them. Kris not supposed to live with nobody, no out here, no planka, no royal. Him and Dana have a relationship as a brother and a sister. That's what important. The planka them don't need to watch him. Nobody don't need to watch him. Why are you so mischievous? You big woman and you not sister, you mischievous. Queen B, nobody not trouble you. Them not trouble you. Dana come out and do one live and tell you to leave her alone. She don't want to have nothing to do with you. Where you gonna go trouble the man for? Give the man a break, making dollar. You are do your business where you do nobody not trouble you. Leave the people them alone. You a big old woman. And then this is the thing when me tell you so now hypocrite out here. That big old woman like you big old tackle ram, your age come and fall me like kind of run wild in a Spanish Town road number. But yet still you want to come out here and talk to social media, newsroom and chin and all those little girls. You out here and do so much and you feel like okay, it is okay for you to do it because you're a blogger, but yet still you want to talk about chin. Yet still you want to talk about social media and YouTube. You don't have no limit. Come out to the people and business. It's annoying. And if them come out here no one cuss you and drag you, you will come out here now come say Kris disrespectful. Give the man a break. Leave those little things to chin and where them name social media and YouTube, but yet still you're the one out here who want to talk about them. How you cannot get in a master advice, but you look what you are do. Anywhere food is involved, there must be love and peace. Lorraine, we're fully done, as we call her. Know that Lorraine, know that say it must be met with love. You just walk around and talk on the internet. No, it's getting annoying now. Your mischievous ways. You're not the only mischievous one out here. I can openly say Noel Cunningham is a damn mischievous one. As big as Foreign Woman TV is another mischievous one. I can say all of who mischievous out here, including myself. Chin is one. But you're not seeing them annoying. You're getting annoying now, Jennifer. Your mischievous ways. It is fun. It is nice. But it's getting annoying. It is real getting annoying. It is good and it is fun to be mischievous. It is good, it's fun. But your style is getting annoying, because I'm going to be straight. Me not going to say you are getting annoying now. Chin is very mischievous. Noel is very mischievous. Myself is a mischievous one. But I know when here's a time you have no limit. It's like you're pushing a fire. What does that have to do with you? That's the woman business there. That's she and Kris business. That let me tell you something. You know what on the people. You see me tell you say boy I'm mischievous. Public mischief. I don't care what you want to call public mischief. You're a very mischievous guy. But the only thing you have time and place. Queen Bee don't have. Queen Bee trying to be Queen Bee mischievous ways is being annoying. And then Queen Bee what hurt. Queen Bee want to come out here and talk to young people like Chin, social media newsroom, when Queen Bee a big old woman, old woman. Queen Bee age come off all me like a road wall in a Spanish Town road number. Come off a good come off a tape measure too. Everybody can be mischievous, everybody have all right for make them look a joke and them look a fun. But when you want to do this, the lady keep them gone from the supermarket, leave the woman business alone. You would have never take up a cake and share for them. Only when you want to make critics and put up your look aside. Let me tell you something, it's getting annoying now. Your mischievous ways, it is getting real annoying now. It's like the day when you see Kazim into the airport. You see Kazim in the airport, see the man and leave the man, you take the man picture and put it out by your page. Because you feel say it's freedom, you can do what you want. The man have a platform and if him the want anybody if know say him up on the airport, him would have make a life in there. Just think about when you did put him on the life, somebody you post up a man picture, somebody did see him and damage him. You need to give people space, Jennifer. And when people come out here and drag you and nasty you up now, you claim say, oh, nobody don't know me, and this and people is very disrespectful, and this is what social. Who know are the problem where I dig up with something and act, and this is what social media come to. There were no problem with the cake. And if it's even that, Dana come out and say she don't have nothing to do with you, you have to keep far from her. You don't know what keep far from somebody mean. You don't know what keep far from somebody mean. You don't know what keep far from somebody. Do man even go as far as say you don't have to do no more business with her. Nobody now insult me so for content. That me love you not have with the Taurus in you. You must want different Taurus. Nobody now insult me so. Nobody now insult me for content. If Dana ever come out here, sometimes when me hear all Dana talk, me get all nervous and I feel look good and wonder watch good and say no, I can't me she attack. And ever, not even anybody ever come out here and say 13 keep, you know when somebody say you have to keep far from them, what that mean? You know what that mean? And you still not give the woman a break. The amount of the woman sitting them over by your pay. The woman go launching cake at supermarket. You go like you are the supermarket owner. No, Kris I carry out the cake and you go contact about plank of a watch Kris because where you text it from the man for? Why you cannot leave Kris alone? The last time you going on the man messenger and predict pan him and they tell him this Jennifer Queen Bee tappy. Queen Bee, stop it. Stop it. It's getting annoying now. You have your job and you have your brand and you don't even want your name the past social media for nobody knows you. Why you think you figure under people and not trouble people? Now at the time when the people have to make them bread. Leave the people them alone. It is getting annoying now. It is getting annoying, and when you do these things, you go by your life. It is getting annoying. You're gonna make you somebody have serious problem with you. That's the people them bread. Me no buy food and misery there, no. That's the people them bread. You are do your side business. You don't want nobody know about it past social media. Cause you want to do your business and your business. Go and find your business. Cause you know what? But you want to out here and harass people. And the funny thing about it, if Kris hear this live and come out now and dip up underneath you, you'd have say him disrespectful. And you would have start two to two and go on like, leave the people them alone. That I tell you if you keep far from my have a little mind, no? Have a little mind. You're there all over. What are you and Tina? A couple months ago, are you and Curly? Are you on this? Are you on have a little mind, no? You are do your side business and you are do your backdoor business. You are going with your business. Do your business. Nobody now come out here and talk about your business where you are do. Nobody now attack your business. Nobody now go down in Atlanta, or Georgia where you live there. Go try to find out and nobody now bring out for your business. You are do your business without bangarang round it. Why you the past social media cry bangarang round the other people in business where them a make? You are do your business. You have your job. You are do your backdoor business, right? You never come out past social media and can't tell nobody. But your business where you are do. So why you out here in a somebody else's business? You think that is fair? When you done make your mischief out here, don't you do your business? Nobody not talk about it. Because very few of us know about your business when you do. You never come out and say to your platform because you feel like that is not their business. But it's strange enough how you feel like other people's business, it's their business to know about it. Because we never notice when it go on in the pharmacy. We never notice which part the cake them did there, but you see it and you feel it in there. We no business, we know say yes, it's good for the people them where they are England we can buy it, cause even somebody didn't want to buy one cake, but the shipping and them can get one another cake for buying in England, and it is good. At least 30 people will get one cake over the 29 because Kris are gonna name one. So, what a big problem? Queen Bee, stop it, man. Stop playing with the people, brand. Stop it. You can't do anything else but not play with the people and brand. That are them food, that are them bread. Nobody now come after your own. Nobody now come after your job where you do. Do unto others as you would like others do to you. Cause you never come for your platform and tell your people in. If I even for promote the business and go on like you know what, nobody know. You don't want nobody know anything. So when you each up with the people in business and like other people business go tell your people when you can't reason to your people and say look, me do that job here and me do that business here on the side. So why you think it is fair for you to come and take up people business and carry go show them and a laugh and a mock and a this and a that and who to be careful of who? Why should the plank of them be careful of Kris? Jennifer Bake too. Jennifer Bake, especially bread pudding, coming where people buy bread pudding from from Jennifer. Queen Bee bakes too. But she never advertise her business because I know people who buy bread pudding from her. Down in Atlanta there. She's also a baker. I just like the dirty one over here where she ate dinner with a poison because somebody tell me what day you say when them say to me so that say me know the dirty girl because then deliver Peter man and I said then one I say they said one with Tina they done it. She did reach out to Dana for promote her business. When one woman tell me say buy one cake for him for 90 gilda and the cake not taste good. So that's why she automatically hate me because she don't know me. Me have to say about Jesus God then this woman here might be a kind yard in her look out no papers nor nothing. She automatically she must do things that she not go bigger for enough Jamaica no live to support her. Every Jamaican want to keep them body in a shape to go wind up in a dance. Hey, nobody not tear down for your bread put the business. Queen Bee also bake and sell. That's her side job. She getting real annoying now. Real annoying. I want to touch fair because she not out there, but she's getting real annoying. Why would you take that? The woman cake gone in at the farm and the year I know when she make it America, she want the woman cake for company chef. What you want to do? You're not a business partner. One step at a time. Why are you so invest into the woman? Do your business. She tell you if you keep far from her, the woman go as far as you have to spend the money on her, with her. And that never stop you. That never stop you. Why are you taking so much set on the people them? Enough man, leave the people and make them bake them cake and do them thing and know at the time when them make them money. One confusion you want to start. The plank of them did get cake. The plank of them did get cake for, Kris cake for sell. The plank of them did give Kris cakes for sell. And the plank of them is send cakes. So what you tell the plank of them for open them eye pan Kris? How that makes sense? What that have to do? Did the planker send cake and give Kris to sell? How comes the planker them get involved in the woman cake business? Because I'm sure it's not only planker one supporter. I am sure it's not only the planker one I support nobody or nobody. How the planker them, what the planker them have to watch Kris for? Explain that. Explain that. I know I want that part to explain why the planker them for one of them eye because I never know that the planker them game cake. No, it's not the time and place to make confusion. May the people them make them cake. Because if you see them put out a normal flyer, you not share it out by your page. But anything what you bring bang around that you share out by your page. If you see them put out a normal cake flyer, you not take it up and share it out. But make it something where it can come and you put it out ha 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 ha. And when uno done uno the one who come out, you come one about oh social media stay, social media this or social media that. Come sure no if Kris did come out here for you today. Oh, he's so disrespectful. And when they done, but you wouldn't see you fuck. And this is social media. I know everything people are gonna take past social media. I know everything people are, every day you name a call up out here for what me no know. Every day you name a call up out here for annoy somebody. Good night, Queen. You a big woman, you bake your bread, put to them no. Focus on them. Do bake, you do your business. Oh, you not promote your bread pudding them. But you're in other people business past social media. Cause since you don't want nobody know say you a baker, me I gonna make them know out here. So people, officially Queen Bee is a baker. Queen Bee bake cake and bread pudding and sell. Dog in a Georgia there. Cause when you do that now and trouble Kris and Kris come out here, you go hear say the man them put me this said that something one time, you know. I did say them something one time. We woman is the cause of it because you see how you got trouble the man. You see how the man a baking cake. Well busy up to today the man saying one sitting a rum in one guy rum Friday and catch the same flight and come up the man saying short stuff. And you see how you got trouble the man. And I mix up the man, I can't talk about plank of what me then yeah upon the man and the man nah the man about him business in a in shop and making cake till all how much hours to make sure saying order them go. Cause you feel like say it is funny, ha 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 ha. You feel like say it is funny. Cause you want to bang around so you get it. Guys, good night. And get it and Queen Bee and your girl Queen Bee. Jennifer, leave the people them alone. Nobody not trouble you with your work and nobody not trouble you with your baking. Cause you choose to bake and bake from behind. You weren't honest enough to come out and tell your followers them to people, you know me do look a baking pan the sign, me make bread pudding and all of those things. That you know want that. Cause you know want your business on social media. So why you think it is fair for you for to take up other people's business and put and show them? I feel you need to start telling people about yourself. Cause you know say you bake bread pudding. Cause you might feel to say, oh, you can live there, so somebody a go give you a ras box one of these days, you hear? It's getting annoying now. It's not funny no more. Our earth, you are the one who want come out, come call out little kids like Chin and Social. And last week you out here call out Chin, said Chin has, and look what you out here do this week. You would have never see social media newsroom do that, you would have never see Chin do that. Coming now go be fair, I tell you already, Foreign Woman TV is another mischievous one. But you would have never see Foreign Woman TV come out on our platform tomorrow morning and do that. When you make mischief, if you want to be funny, you have to do things where when people hear them laugh. You have to make mischief like how Chin make it, Noel make it. Foreign Woman TV, social media, newsroom, and then the people. Well, when if you ever go and see your name, and when it irritates you, you have to bust out a laugh. That's how you make mischief. Make mischief like speak my mind. And then the people are all when time it's serious that you can't say nothing because you still have to laugh. But when you mess with people brand, people business, try to make rich again people because you make it look like so the man says something and you try to put fire. That's not no joke. Even though you might put ha 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 some beast behind it, a serious business that. And you're not stupid, you're just evil. You don't care. Everybody call you out about it. Even your good friend Tina. And night before last night, Tina have to call you out about it. You do these things to make confusion and problem when you then you come talk about social media. And okay guy, forget you. You're not have to cause mischief for talk past something. Look no, look. You are everybody, we all have similar problem with you. We all have similar problem with you. First of all, we don't know where you stand. We do not hear where you stand. We don't understand. Because with Kris, you come out and you say you don't have no problem with anybody because this is social media. But when you protest, it's like you have a vendetta against Kris. And it is okay. You don't have to like him. You're not obligated to like him. But what you must not do is harass him. What you must not do is harass and irritate him. Because you know when him come out and open that mouth, he's gonna be very disrespectful. And what you are gonna say, and what other people are gonna say, oh, him a man, and him a this, him have feelings too. Him have feelings too. You irritate him. You annoy him. Me tell you Curly, tell you Tina, tell you speak my mind, tell you. Me say I must say, I think I never hear you on Foreign Woman TV. Gracie, make we talk, make we come and we reason you know, Queen Bee. Something alright here. Something alright here. You go on the lane with Tina. Me and you, I have people from behind the scenes. But Gracie. Me not talk the big draws over there so. Chin, social media newsroom, speak my mind.